A blissful evening to you, my beautiful students of mathematics. This evening, we shall be looking more concepts. We shall be looking at more concepts on more concepts, more algebraic concepts, more algebraic concepts. Shall be looking at more algebraic concepts. Don't forget that in our previous class, we have demonstrated how 3 into bracket d is the same thing as 3 multiplied by d, and that gives us 3d. We have also seen that minus 5 into bracket g will give us minus 5g. And we have also shown that 2 into bracket a plus b means 2 multiplied by a, that's 2a, then 2 multiplied by b, that's 2b. We have seen all of this in our previous class. So this afternoon or evening, we are going to see further algebraic equations. So now let's look at this one. This one that has to do with algebraic expressions involving more than one bracket. Algebraic expressions involving more than one brackets. So what do we mean with this? Now let's delve in. Okay, so what we mean is that, let's say you have 2 into bracket a plus b plus 5 into brackets 2a plus b. You are asked to expand this. How do you go about it? This 2 in front of this bracket is the owner of all of this. Why this 5 in front of this bracket is the owner of all of this? So when we multiply them, we're going to have 2a, 2 multiplied by b, that will be 2b. You are done with the first bracket. Then this plus 5 will multiply this. 5 times 2a, that's plus 10a, plus 5 times b, that's plus 5b. So you agree with me that there are some things that look alike here. There are some things that look alike here. 2a and 10a, they are like terms. 2b and 5b, they are like terms. So we can bring them together. We can call it rearranging. We can rearrange it. So we say rearranging. That will be 2a plus 10a plus 2b plus 5b. So those things that look alike, we can bring them together. 2a plus 10a will give us 12a. Then 2b plus 2b plus 5b will give us 7b. And since a and b are not of the same term, this is going to be our final answer. Okay, so let us look at another example. Let's look at another example. Okay, so I call it example 2. We are asked to expand 5a into bracket 2b plus 6 minus 6a into bracket 3b minus 5. So how do we go about this? Like I told you, the very first thing as the first bracket is the model of the first bracket. Why this minus 6a is the model of this second bracket. So we take it one after the other. 5a multiplied by 2b, that will give us 10ab. Then 5a multiplied by 6, that will give us plus 30a, minus 6a multiplied by 3b, that will be minus 18ab. And always be careful when you are expanding, your sign goes a lot. You have to be very, very careful. Minus times minus will give us plus, then 6 times 5 will give us 30. So we look for those things. Okay, that will be 30a rather, 30a. So we look at it critically and look at the expressions that look the same. You will see that this one is 10ab and this one is 18ab. They have the same thing in common. We can bring them together. 10ab minus 18ab plus 30a plus 30a. We have brought all of them together. So 10ab minus 18ab, you have 10 naira, you are owing 18 naira. That's minus 8ab plus 30a plus 30a. That will be plus 60a. So this is what our answer is going to look like. And if you feel like you're writing it, you may bring the one that has plus to the front so that we have 60a minus 8ab. They still mean the same thing. So if a number is written without the sign, it means it has invisible plus. Okay, if that is clear, let us see this example before we call it a day. Let's see this example. We can also have something like 2a minus a plus 6b. Okay, let's look at this. You will see that this 2a is standing, is not directly at the back of the bracket, so it's different from the one that we have done previously. So it is minus that is directly at the back of the bracket. So we have 2a. This minus will open up the bracket. Minus times a, that will give us minus a. Then minus times plus 6b, that will give us minus 6b. You understand that 2a and a have things in common. So 2 naira minus 1 naira, that's a minus 6b. This is what our answer is going to look like. Okay, one more example before I give you your own class work. Okay, let's see this. Let's say I have 5a minus 2 into bracket 3a plus 9b. I'm asked to expand this. How do I go about it? That will be 5a is standing alone. It is minus 2 that is directly at the back of the bracket. Minus 2 multiplied by 3a, that will be minus 6a. Then minus 2 multiplied by plus, that will be minus 2 times 9, that's 18b. So 5a minus 6a, I have 5 naira, I'm owing 6 naira, that's minus a. Some people will say minus 1a, but we already know that a in mathematics means 1. So minus a minus 18b is what our final answer will look like. And since this is a term in a, this is a term in b, you cannot bring them together. Okay, having understood this, it's time for you to put your pen to paper. It's time for you to put your pen to paper. So put your pen to paper. Put your pen to paper. Okay, so expand this. Expand this. My very first one will be 2b minus 9b plus 8. Expand that. Then the next one, 5y minus 2 into bracket 6y minus 9. Expand that. Okay, we should have up to 5. Then number C, 3 into bracket 2p plus 8 plus 5 into bracket 3p plus 2. Let us expand that. And the next one, 3y into bracket 2a minus 6 plus 4y into bracket 2a minus 2. Let us expand that. And I think we should add one more. Let's see whether we can still recall what we have done previously. 2 into bracket x plus 2b. Okay, and the f minus 5g into bracket 2a plus 6. Okay, until when we meet again, it's a bye-bye from here. Happy learning.